All right, so we've got Grillzowski heating up, and you know, while he's coming up to temp with that royal oak lump, we're going to go ahead and get our chicken seasoned up. I got a family pack of chicken thighs that I've laid out on a cookie sheet so that way I can season it up real good. And today I'm going to use my friend Mikey from Fire and Smoke, his Windy City rub. It's got a nice little kick to it. It's going to give some beautiful color, and it's just going to be delicious. So let's get to seasoning. So we're gonna season with our no-handed glove, and we're gonna flip our chicken with the glove hand. We're just gonna sprinkle this on, rotate, just like so. Alright, so you can see that we have our two zones set up. We have our foil over here on this side. We have our charcoal on this side. It's already going. It was up to about 250 degrees at the grate. That's what this little thermometer here is for. I've had the lid off for a little while because I was cleaning my grate and all that. So we're going to go ahead and put these on. I think she's up hot enough. No trim on the chicken, just pulled out of the package and seasoned. And we're just going to line them up. Try to get them all on here. Give them a little bit of space. Now, if you see I got my fire over here, I'm going to take a hunk of maple wood. I'm going to set that right here. Now what that's going to do is it's going to start getting hot and starting to smolder and igniting without being down in there and burning up all at once. So this will actually last a lot longer. Alright, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes with some change. First time I've looked at it. Our temperature creeped back up to about 350. So that's exactly where we want it. You see how this wood had done its thing, so it didn't burn up, it just burned nicely, so it gave it a good color. So let's go ahead and check these out here. We're running about a 185 here in the back. That one there is going to run 190-ish. So this is dark meat. We want it around 175 or higher. Thighs can go a little higher, so these bad boys are done. So let's pull them off. Gotta check to make sure they work. This is the Windy City rub from my buddy Mikey over at Fire and Smoke. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty darn gorgeous. So I'm just going to jump on in, man. Grab one. Boy, that's some good eating right there. Just enough rub on there. It's got a little bit of a kick. Nice peppery note. The maple wood and the paprika gave it some beautiful color. Wow. Nice. It's still juicy. Finger licking good right there. All right, everybody. So that was our chicken thighs on the Weber kettle. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I did. Remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did it taste good? Did you have fun? Rock on. You, my friends, are awesome.